Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through 7 easy keto snack ideas. Snacks which I've enjoyed time and time again through my 2-year keto diet journey. I thought I'd sit down and have a little chat through my favorite snacks, and also if you've got any to add that are your favorite, make sure you leave a comment, and also remember to subscribe for more videos like this and leave a like. I always appreciate your interaction on my videos. So let's get into it, and I'll talk you through 7 keto snacks that I have sometimes between meals, sometimes kind of to end my day. I do intermittent fasting and will often just have a snack to end my day rather than a meal to finish my day off. And first, the number 1 snack that I have time and time again is hot chocolate. I make homemade hot chocolate with a bit of milk, a bit of cream, some chocolate, melt it all together, and it just makes a beautiful snack. It is so filling, and I have at least a few of them a week and usually top it with a bit of whipped cream too, and it's the perfect indulgent snack which is just amazing on keto. And I've shared the recipe for that in the past. I'll leave a link down below to the video so you can watch the full tutorial on how to make low carb keto hot chocolate, which is amazing if I do say so myself. And number 2 is strawberries and cream, which you won't be surprised if you've watched a few of my full days of eating, usually include strawberries and cream. And yes, you can have strawberries on keto. I tend to have 3 or 4 strawberries, slice them up and top them with a generous swirl of whipped cream, and that's another wonderful snack which kind of cures my sweet craving as well as hot chocolate, and it's perfect. It's just the perfect keto snack to kind of have in between meals or to finish off the day. I just love it. And next, a couple of options that I usually have in my fridge. So when I want a snack but don't feel like putting together a hot chocolate or strawberries and cream, I'll either go for some cheese. I keep loads of different cheese varieties in my fridge, and I might have a square or a little slice, or just maybe even one of those little Baby Bell cheeses. Just depends what I've got in my fridge, but I always make sure when I go out shopping I replenish my cheese stock, so I've got loads of different options. And then I'll just have a couple of little pieces of cheese, or I might even make up a snack platter. And my next option is meat. I'll either have a meat stick, or I often make corned beef silver side, have some of that left over, or some leftover roast that I have in the fridge. Just have a little piece of meat or a little bit of cheese, or maybe put a couple together on a platter depending on what I'm feeling like. But yeah, meat, cheese are just perfect options. If I'm feeling a little more like something veggie variety, I might have an avocado, just a whole avocado, slice it up, scoop out the yummy deliciousness and enjoy avocado on its own. Or if I feel a little more organized, might even make a salad snack, a little bit of spinach, avocado, cucumber, feta, just throw all together a little green salad to have to kind of nourish me between meals, or as I said, as an end of day snack. And next we're on to number 6. If you've been keeping count, we've got nuts. I love macadamias. Macadamias are my go-to nut. I love them. They also happen to have the perfect keto macros as well as pine nuts. But with nuts you have to be very careful because the carbs can add up very quickly. Although they are full of fiber and healthy nutrients, they're also full of carbs, so definitely measure out a portion, measure out a snack portion that you know you can enjoy through the day or as a one-time snack. But definitely exercise strict portion control with nuts, because it's one of those snacks where you can just mindlessly keep eating by the handful, and before you know it, you've eaten your day's carb content in nuts. And finally, eggs. Whether it's deviled eggs, an egg salad, or just some hard-boiled eggs that you just hard-boiled and you can just slice open and have with a bit of salt. Eggs are a brilliant snack which I've turned to time and time again in many varieties. That's an excellent source of whole protein, of good healthy fats, and virtually little to no carbs as well. So there you go. Those are my 7 easy keto snacks which I've enjoyed time and time again through my almost 2-year keto diet journey. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know what's your go-to easy keto snack, and check down below for a link to blog post videos and more information to help you on your keto snack journey. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.